Ever found yourself scrolling through endless bank options, each promising the moon and the stars? Today, we're diving deep into one that's been making waves, Brilliant Bank. But the real question is, in a sea of financial institutions, is Brilliant Bank really worth your hard-earned money? Let's be honest, switching banks can feel like a monumental task. The paperwork, the transferring of direct deposits, the fear of missing a crucial payment, it's enough to make anyone stick with the familiar, even if the familiar isn't exactly brilliant. So, what makes Brilliant Bank stand out enough to even consider making the leap? Well, they certainly talk a good game. Their website is sleek, their app boasts a user-friendly interface, and their marketing campaigns paint a picture of effortless banking with a touch of sophistication. They highlight features like high-yield savings accounts, low-interest loan options, and personalized financial advice. But as the old saying goes, not all that glitters is gold. To truly determine if Brilliant Bank lives up to its name, we need to peel back the layers and look at the nitty-gritty. Let's start with those enticing high-yield savings accounts. While the advertised rates might seem attractive, it's crucial to compare them against the competition. Are there any hidden fees or minimum balance requirements that could eat into your returns? We'll delve into the fine print to see if the actual yield matches the hype. Next up, loan options. Brilliant Bank boasts competitive interest rates, which is undoubtedly a plus. However, the approval process and eligibility criteria can be just as important as the rate itself. We'll explore what it takes to qualify for their loans and whether the terms are genuinely favorable compared to other lenders. Then there's the promise of personalized financial advice. In today's complex financial landscape, having access to expert guidance can be invaluable. But what does personalized truly mean at Brilliant Bank? Is it access to qualified advisors who understand your unique circumstances, or is it more of a one-size-fits-all approach? We'll investigate the level of support and expertise they offer. Beyond the core offerings, we also need to consider the day-to-day banking experience. How convenient are their ATMs? What's the quality of their customer service? Is their mobile app truly intuitive and reliable? These seemingly small details can significantly impact your overall satisfaction. Imagine being locked out of your account or struggling to get a simple query resolved. A Brilliant Bank should excel in these fundamental areas. We'll also touch upon any unique perks or benefits that Brilliant Bank offers. Do they have partnerships that provide discounts on certain services? Are there any rewards programs that could add value to your banking relationship? These extras can sometimes be the deciding factor when choosing between similar institutions. Of course, no bank is perfect, and Brilliant Bank likely has its drawbacks. We'll explore any potential downsides, whether it's higher fees for certain transactions, limitations on account features, or areas where their technology or customer support might fall short. A balanced perspective is key to making an informed decision. Ultimately, the worth of Brilliant Bank depends on your individual financial needs and priorities. What might be a perfect fit for one person could be entirely unsuitable for another. Our goal here isn't to definitively say yes or no to Brilliant Bank, but rather to equip you with the information you need to make that judgment for yourself. We'll weigh the pros and cons, compare their offerings to industry standards, and hopefully shed some light on whether Brilliant Bank truly lives up to its name and whether it deserves a place for your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.